Babe, why is there a Bose speaker sitting in the bathroom?
No, that's simply I've kept one in the bathroom because tomorrow when I take a shower, no, I can actually start dancing dick chick dick chick dick chick dick chick.
Wait, you already have one in the hall, one in your office room. How many more are you going to buy?
No, those two I've bought for work reasons. This one only when I'm sitting in the bathroom tomorrow, full surround music should come. It's a good buy, don't worry.
What, chumma you're throwing money around like this? You won some lottery or what?
Hey, have you not heard of my new sweep in sweep out system?
What is that?
So basically I've set a minimum balance in my account of 10,000 and any money that comes in my account above 10,000 automatically goes into one fixed deposit where I start earning money daily, and if I want to remove that money, I remove it without any charges. So basically every day I'm earning money, you know.
Wait. How much money you made through all this?
Some 3,500 rupees.
And how much was that speaker?
15,000 rupees.
At this rate, no, if you keep spending money, you won't have anything left. The next time on Amazon, you order one broom, do one full sweep in and sweep out of the whole house.
Small mistake.
Finance guru, it seems. Wait, auntie, aap parke tanni. You sit and practice now.